Hey guys, Crypto Thursday because I'm away for the weekend. So yeah, we're doing a pre-record. We've had a bit of a drop, nothing too big. This is sort of showing £28,000 down because I've withdrawn zero point 0.3 Bitcoin. I'd call it not really taking profits because I'm putting that straight into the ISA on Monday, or it's basically already gone in the Trading 212 account. Just move it across to the ISA on Monday, and the intention was sort of taking a bit of tax gain harvesting and most likely put that into Riot platforms. So yeah, we'll see how it performs. At the moment, Bitcoin is up today and Riot is down. So yeah, we'll see how that comes sort of tomorrow and Monday. But yeah, sort of have a brief look at the news. We had a little bit of an inflow into the ETFs, sort of nothing too big, similar to the negative last week, 862 million after a 931 million outflow. Everything's sort of a little bit quiet at the moment on the ETF side. Whether this is, we're sort of hoping this isn't, the end of the inflow or the sort of big inflows, hoping this is just sort of a pause while a lot of other big funds sort of come online. But yeah, we've seen 960 out of Grayscale in the last week, and sort of a little bit, well, more into iShares and Fidelity alone, and then sort of some into ARK. Just looking per coin, it's all Bitcoin, of course. Ethereum negative nearly 19 million. Multi-asset down 2.6, nothing too big. I mean, this is 3.5 billion in multi-asset. Never seems to move all that much. Solana 6.1 million inflow, not too bad. Binance Coin, Litecoin, all sort of very short Bitcoin, down slightly. So people taking profits, I guess, on short Bitcoin. XRP, slight inflow, Cardano, slight inflow, and yet again, Polkadot, slight inflow as well, 2.4 million. Not sure sort of who's, I wouldn't call it piling into Polkadot, but it's sort of growing a very small little number there. So that's pretty good. Per country, same again, small inflow into Brazil. A little bit into Australia, and then negatives for Canada, Germany, Sweden, and Switzerland. Obviously, the US, the big inflow. Just sort of looking at the more recent news as well. They're showing as sort of a 0 day here. That was bank holiday, but you're getting sort of very low numbers, mostly inflow though. Sort of 418 for 243. All sort of not too bad. That was last week, and then so far it's sort of been slight outflow, slight inflow, and 113 million inflow yesterday. So I can't imagine this is going to be sort of huge numbers today and tomorrow. We'll have to see whether this is just a small lull before sort of recommences with new institutional investment advisors and other funds, or whether BlackRock sort of get it onto their what's it called, the Aladdin platform, where they start recommending it sort of to their own funds and own clients. Getting more in Europe as well. DWS entered the crypto exchange traded products. This is sort of a partnership between X-Trackers and Galaxy, physical Bitcoin ETC. So at least it's physically backed. That's good. Slightly more expensive than the US versions. Listed on Deutsche Börse with total expense ratio of 0.35%. So not your 0.2s and 0.25s like in the US, and a lot of those are waving it sort of for the first 5 billion. Can't imagine these are going to get for sort of 5 billion at all, particularly quickly, because It's Europe, but we'll see. Fidelity, Wisdom Tree, and CoinShares all cut their Europe products to 0.535%. Not sure what they were at before, but yeah, interesting. Invesco down to 0.39, so doubt they're going to get too much business, but yeah, interesting. It'll always sort of highlight these enormous, great big sort of assets under management numbers. They haven't got it here, but other people are sort of saying 900 billion DWS launching these ETPs. So yeah, we'll see if they're recommending it to their own clients and if they get a bit of inflow. But yeah, we'll have to watch. And there's speculation that the Department of Justice could be selling $2 billion worth of Bitcoin in a wallet sort of known to be Department of Justice wallet was moved to Coinbase. Whether that, I mean, there would only be, you would think, one reason they would move it to Coinbase to sell. The US's sort of preferred exchange to sell their Bitcoin, even if the SEC are sort of looking to sue them. You've got to sell it somewhere, I guess. They moved 30,175 Bitcoin to the wallet on Tuesday. So, yeah, whether that's already been sold and we're just finding out now, don't know, or whether it's going to be sort of sold periodically to try and limit the drop in price. We don't really know, but I would sort of see this as a good thing, really. The end of the sort of getting towards the end of the sort of Silk Road Bitcoin. Basically, wash that away and let this story be over. So yeah, just a quick update for the week. I won't do coins for the week because it's only Thursday. So yeah, we'll reconvene in a week's time. So leave your thoughts in comments below. Let me know how you guys are doing, and like and subscribe. See you soon.